Welcome back, folks. In this video, we'll go over how to create an item that your character can pick up. In our project, our character will be able to pick up coins. Let's create coins. Add a new object, sprite. Let's call it gold coins. Create with Piskel. We will use 114 by 114 because this is the aspect ratio we used before. Click resize. Let's select yellow, circle. Okay, let's fill it up. And click save. For animation, let's call it idle. Click apply. Now, let's make sure we are on a base layer and then drag it out. Let's make it smaller. Let's copy paste it. Okay. Now let's preview. If we were to try to get the coins, nothing will happen, as you can see here. So let's go back. Let's go to our events. Click add a new event. Select the very first lane. Click on plus and choose event group. Let's call it collecting coins. Click on the event, press on hold and drag a little bit to the right. Now this event will be a child of collecting coins event. Let's click on add condition. So what we want to do is when our main character is in collision with the gold coin, click OK. We want gold coin to disappear. So gold coin, delete. So as you can see here, when our main character is in collision with gold coin, we will delete gold coin. Now let's see what happens. When our main character is in collision with the gold coin, it disappears. Perfect. Let's take it a step further. So when we collect gold coins, we want to make sure that we can see how many gold coins we collected. We want to make sure that we can see the score. To do that, first let's create a new variable. We can either create a global variable or a scene variable. If we create a scene variable, we'll be able to use a variable only for this specific scene. A global variable will be able to be used throughout your entire project. Since we'll be having gold coins on every single level or in every single scene in our project, it makes sense to make it a global variable. So let's select global variables in your project settings. Now choose add a variable. Let's call it score. Leave it as a number and let's set it to 0. Click apply. Next, we'll create a text and we will call it collected coins. Let's set it to 45 and initial text to display will be 0. Click apply. Now let's drag this collected coins text into our screen. First, we will select a UI layer and then we will move it over here. Next, we will double click on the collected coins. We'll go to behaviors and we'll add a behavior. First, we're going to add stay on screen to make sure that our number stays on screen and doesn't go anywhere. We double click again, go to behaviors, and we'll add another behavior. This time, it's called anchor, to make sure that our text stays in a spot where we placed it. And click apply. So now if we were to preview the game, you can see that our number stays in the screen no matter what we do. However, even though we collect the coins, nothing happens. So let's fix that. Let's go back to our events. So when main character is in collision with gold coin, we want to delete the coin. We want to change our variable. So type variable, select this one, not the objects, but this one. Choose score. When we collect a coin, we want to add 1 to our score variable. Click OK. Next, we want to display that score in our text that we created prior. Add another action. Choose collected coins. Choose text. We want to set this text to quotation marks plus score. Click OK. Let's go back to our level and let's preview. As you can see here, when we collected a coin, our number changed. Here we go. And just like that, you're able to create coins for your project and be able to collect it and display the score. Alright, I will see you next video.